Welcome to the Claude Code changelog. In version 2.1.225, we are introducing significant improvements to remote control, new spend limit visibility for gateways, and critical stability fixes for your development workflow. Today, we are covering 5 major updates: gateway spend limit transparency, expanded workspace trust, direct photo handling in remote control, new ways to start remote conversations, and polish for the VS Code focus view. If you are using the Claude Apps Gateway, you will now see clear details when hitting a spend limit. The warning message will explicitly name the cap when it resets and any custom message set by your administrator. Remote control is faster. Photos attached via the Claude app are now passed directly to the model, eliminating the overhead of reading them from disk. You can now proactively start conversations with your remote sessions. Using Send Message, you can target any session listed in your agents list by name instead of waiting for an inbound message. We have tightened security for agents. Running Claude agents in an untrusted directory will now trigger the same workspace trust prompt you are familiar with in the main CLI. For VS Code users, we have polished the focus view. It now correctly preserves your to-do lists and pending questions, and thinking blocks are cleaner, showing a simple duration indicator that collapses once the model finishes. We have also addressed several stability issues, including fixes for OAuth token handling, improved safety filter behavior in auto mode, and better error reporting for self-hosted runners. That covers the highlights for version 2.1.225. Check the official documentation for the full list of fixes and improvements. Happy coding!